The growth of Duncan Aviation just over the last 30 years has had a huge impact. If we were still the same 300 and 400 employee company, we wouldn't have a Provo, we wouldn't have a Michigan, we wouldn't have a lot of these new things that we have with the RTs, and that growth is what creates those opportunities that everyone here is going to benefit from.
With Provo coming online, it's created a lot of growth opportunities for all of our team members.
When one person moves to a different position, it creates another opening in that area. Then somebody moves into that and it creates another one. For every position that we fill in the company, there's like 4 or 5 follow-on events.
The growth is so important to our customers because our customers' needs keep expanding.
We're not afraid to invest into new facilities like we're standing here in Utah. We're not afraid to buy that new E-drill in Lincoln or Battle Creek that's going to save a lot of time and make people's jobs easier. And there are countless examples like that in all the areas, in interior, from avionics to paint, just new technologies, new things that are available out there.
And they keep developing into more and more technical operations on their aircraft. As our airplanes become more technologically advanced, they also require more hands-on labor, more touches from Duncan. And so that growth is really facilitating the needs of our industry, but also the needs of our Duncan customers.
We really look to being full service for our customers and being a place where our people can grow their careers as well.